Hi friends, let me show you this new raised toilet seat that I received for reviewing purposes. In some, in some situations, some people for any reason need a raised portable toilet seat. This is a great option, okay? This is an OasisSpace brand toilet seat. You get all the instructions to put it together, okay? Let's do it so you can see it. Now, it's ready. Okay. As you can see, okay, as you can see, it's an easy to use portable toilet seat, okay, and you can adjust the height, okay, of it. Of course, we can change the height of the legs, okay. To make it higher or lower. As you can see, it's really firm, okay? And if somebody has to use it, it's easy to use. When you need to clean it, okay, you just take out the main seat, put the lid, and take everything out to clean it, okay? So, if for any reason, if you have an elderly people or a person or somebody whose condition requires a toilet like this is a great option, so they can use it, okay? Perfect. Thank you. Easy to put together, easy to use, really good service. Thanks. So friends, if for any reason you need a side-based toilet, this is a great option. As you can see, you could use it here by your bed, not having to walk almost anything, being helped by someone, and going back to your bed. So any way you would like to use it, it will give you the ability to go to the restroom and go back to your bed and have everything really clean, comfortable, if for any reason you need something to help you like this. Thank you.